Among people beyond earshot of his nightly operations, Fred enjoys a reputation for working quietly and delicately. And it was with this in mind that a local authority called him in to consider how the top chunk of an island might be chopped off without shattering the tranquility of their nature reserve.
Like this whole valley from like Salford to Bolton is being made into a nature reserve, you see. Now, just of late, we've got all these wildfowl here that have short legs and web feet, and they can't get on this island because the sides are too steep, and they want it levelling out a bit, you know, so it's like Blackpool, and they can just wander up the beach. This valley were once full of coal mines from Bolton all the way to Salford, you know. There's like one every yard or two, you know, sort of thing. Like it's a lot nicer now than what it used to be, you know. Like nearer to Bolton, there were a great big tip, you know, millions of rats and flies and all sorts of rubbish, and when wind were blowing right road like, you know, you needed a gas mask on. But all that's now covered over with acres of beautiful grass, you know, and trees planted on it. And I suppose in 20 odd, 30 odd years, when they've all grown, it'll look quite nice, you know. Be back to maybe how it were before we lot, the Victorians, mucked it all up.
Wait for the bump. You'll have a shock absorbers on it.
Jump for it.
No brakes in a boat.
Nearly fell in. Come back in about a fortnight. See you. Not got to fall in, Donald. Well, this is it. The summit. There's all holes in it, isn't there? Like as though there's some wildlife about.
Might be some little shrews.
Let's have a look what it's like over this end.
Oh, on this overhang, Fred.
Let's see how hard it is.
On the overhang.
Tell you what, it's bigger than it bloody looks when you get it, isn't it? Yeah. Be alright if it's all like this, eh? What we've got to do is get it from its present 15 foot tall down to about 3 feet or something like that, you know, which as far as I can see is going to entail a great deal of digging. Look at this. Side of an house here, covered. What we're going to do today is see how much we can get off it in a day, then base our price on that, you see, for shifting it. The thing is, it will be very simple to blow the thing up, but you've got to think about all the fishes that are in the water and all the wildfowl, you see. They might not like it and decide to move off elsewhere. So it's got to be done silently and quietly, like in the old-fashioned way.
A big lump.
Bit of a landslide there. Nearly went with it then. This job's very dangerous, you know. I can't swim. If I fall off this island, you know, I'm going to drown. It's safer up top of a 200-foot factory chimney. Like the desired effect, so the ducks can get on there.
Look, that's building up a bit.
Getting a bit of a shore down there, Donald. The bloody lake's turning round. It's going to take us 12 months at this rate. It won't be easier to knock them 6 chimneys down than shift this with a shovel. What they want is some of these poor buggers who are out to work on job, eh?